Hello everyone, welcome back to WB Blacksmithing. Today I got a package from Holland Anvil. It's not obviously anything huge or amazing, but I'm excited about it. I didn't open it, by the way. One of my family members did whenever they got this from the FedEx guy or mailbox, I guess. It's USPS. But I imagine it was packaged very well to begin with. Not so much now after they opened it. But I know what I bought from them. So I didn't actually open it yet though. So first of all, it's a sticker. There it is. This is a 3-inch sticker. This is what I'm mainly excited about. Make it easier on myself. There we go. Yeah. Getting somewhere now, and there we go. Finally got somewhere. So this is one of their small desktop or tabletop anvils. It's pretty nice. It's cast iron, so it's not really something that's meant to be used. It doesn't have a hardy hole or pritchel hole, but for a little shelf or whatever, be pretty nice. I have a lot of blacksmithing and anvil type books, so this will probably be a nice little thing to set with them. Up until about a couple months ago, I had like 40 miniature antique anvils that were this size and up to 20 pounds, but I sold them. So this is my only one at this moment now. At this point in time, I don't know why it came out of my mouth that way the first time, but it does say Holland Anvil, and then it says USA. It's still got the parting line in it, which for decoration and for the price is fine. I'm sure you could clean it up if you buy one. You could clean yours up more if you wanted, but it's for decoration. And it's got what I would assume would be mill marks on the bottom, and then the top's more polished. I'd say that's probably like 120 grit or something like that. But it's a really nice shape. The horn is nice and sharp. And it's just, I would assume it's exactly scaled down from some of their larger models. So yeah, if you want one, they're $30. And I think free shipping. And then the sticker I think was $3, which is pretty reasonable. So yeah, both very reasonable prices. Because usually if you buy an antique anvil, about one of these little miniature ones, it's going to be like 50 bucks for something this size. So that's really reasonable. I guess I'll get some measurements for everybody to have a good idea how big it is. So it is 3 3/4 inches long, just about, from the heel to the tip of the horn. And it's 1 5/8 inches almost tall. The base is 1 inch and what looks like about 3/8 wide, and then 1 3/4 inches or so long. So that's pretty good. So yeah, I like it. Really cool if you like their stuff. I'd recommend getting one of these if you like to collect miniature little anvils. Really cool. Yeah, I'm going to be putting mine inside. I'm done forging for the day now. It's getting dark. Guess I can show you what I did today. But yeah, I recommend it. There you go. Little tiny thing. And I cleaned the forge top, the hearth, all up for you guys too. But anyways, I have a bunch of nail headers I made today. A pair of scrolling tongs, a couple flint strikers. And I think that's it. Oh yeah, I forged the other set of scrolling tongs. I just didn't finish them. But yeah, I like my little Holland anvil and sticker. I'll put the sticker somewhere. I don't really have a set place for stickers yet. I might not ever, but I have a blue sticker here from Big Blue. Yeah, my lines are still out. My press needs a few finishing touches, but it works enough to save my arm a little bit. So, but yeah, I like it. Yep. And there's that. Thanks for watching and subscribing. Definitely go check this out. Their website's right there. Bye.